Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss NEET Biology MCQs 2025 Part 4. The template strand of DNA is read in option A 5' to 3' direction, B 3' to 5' direction, C both directions, option D circular manner. So the correct option is B 3' to 5' direction. Bioreactors are used for option A DNA amplification, B antibiotic sensitivity testing, C large scale production of products, option D cloning vectors. Correct option is C large scale production of products. Splicing occurs in option A mRNA, B tRNA, C rRNA, D hnRNA. Correct option is D hnRNA. The gene regulation in prokaryotes is mostly at option A most transcriptional level, B translational level, C transcriptional level, option D replication level. Correct option is C transcriptional level. And the genetic code, which codon does not code for any amino acid? Option A AUG, B UUU, option C UGA, and option D UGG. Correct option is C UGA. The Barr body is found in option A normal male, B Klinefelter male, C Turner female, option D all of the above. So the correct option is B Klinefelter male. Capacitation of sperm occurs in option A epididymis, B vas deferens, C seminiferous tubule, option D female reproductive tract. Correct option is D female reproductive tract. Which of the following is a correct match? Option A Turner syndrome 47 chromosome, B Down syndrome trisomy 21, option C Klinefelter syndrome 45 chromosome, and option D Edward syndrome monosomy 18. Correct option is B Down syndrome trisomy 21. Which one shows an open circulatory system? Option A earthworm, B frog, C cockroach, option D leech. Correct option is C cockroach. The inner lining of blood vessels is made up of option A squamous epithelium, B cuboidal epithelium, C ciliated epithelium, D columnar epithelium. So the correct option is A squamous epithelium. The Bohr effect is associated with option A increase in O2 oxygen binding, B decrease in CO2 concentration, C lower pH facilitates O2 release, and option D higher pH facilitates O2 release. So the correct option is C. Which part of the eye is devoid of blood vessel? Option A retina, B iris, C cornea, option D choroid. Correct option is C cornea. Which part of the nephron is impermeable of water? Option E, PCT. B, descending limb of Henle. Option C, ascending limb of Henle. And option D, collecting duct. Correct option is C, ascending limb of Henle. Telomeres are synthesized by option A, DNA polymerase, B, RNA polymerase, C, DNA ligase, option D, telomerase. So the correct option is D, telomerase. Which mineral deficiency causes intervenial chlorosis in young leaves? Option A, magnesium, B, iron, C, zinc, D, manganese. So the correct option is B, iron. Which of the following diseases is caused by an autosomal recessive mutation? Option A, Down syndrome, B, sickle cell anemia, C, hemophilia, option D, Turner syndrome. Correct option is B, sickle cell anemia. Arrangement of microtubule is characteristic of option A, cilia and flagella, B, centrioles, C, basal bodies, D, spinal fibers. Correct option is A, cilia and flagella. Which gene suppresses the activity of the apical meristem? Correct option is C, terminal flower. Which zone of the root is most active in water absorption? Option A, root cape, B, meristematic zone, C, zone of elongation, option D, root hair zone. So the correct option is D, root hair zone. Which hormone does not show polar transport? Correct option is D, ethylene. Which of the following is a competitive inhibitor of succinate dehydrogenase? Correct option is A, malonate. Thank you for watching my videos.